Hi, everyone, and welcome to this quick overview on our community hub. It's the place where you will learn, connect, and grow with the Lifedao community. So you get access to education on crypto, financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and more, along with our mentorship programs, weekly webinars, and a network of like-minded people. Once you become a member, you'll be able to access the space directly from your dashboard. Once on the space, simply click on Continue with the Lifedao, and you will be able to create your profile. So here, make sure to add as much details as possible about yourself so that other members can find you and understand what you do more easily. And when you finish creating your profile, you'll have access to the space. So first off, make sure to check the welcome checklist and join one of our weekly onboarding calls. Then you can explore the other channels. So here you can meet the whole team building the Lifedao. You can also keep yourself up to date with the latest news and announcement and join our next webinars. In the next section, you can find everything related to Member Connect. So here you can come and introduce yourself, talk about what you're building, and start connecting with the community. You can also check our featured members. And of course, if you are looking to connect with a specific member, you can come on Member Search and check all the members in the community by their profiles. You can also use this chat and check if the Lifedao is coming to your city. Then you can explore the different channels based on your interest. If you're interested in financial literacy, you can visit this section, find mentors, book a session with a mentor. You'll also be able to find webinars on different topics with different experts from the community, and of course, some resources and workshops about crypto. Same thing here, you can find mentors, you can find different opportunities and all the webinars and resources. Also, if you're interested in entrepreneurship, you can book a session with different mentors and check the previous webinars we did with different experts from the community. Same thing for the Hijra section, you can find mentors, different resources, and the previous webinars on this subject. And that's it for the quick overview on the Lifedao Community Hub. If you have any questions, please let us know, and thank you for watching.